if you want, but I think we're smart enough to keep it straight. Yeah, I mean, we got to do 4. They're gonna be pretty close together too. This first day, fun day, Sunday fun day. Dug this trench. We didn't get a ditch witch, we just used our backs, if you will. Dug this trench out. We're gonna provide power here to an outlet for electric fence and other things. We'll be working out here or whatever. Do a pump house over there. Show you what we did today. Down over on this end. So we're gonna put our water tank here. It's gonna be a 1,000-gallon water tank. We're gonna set up on here. We leveled this out this morning. You know, it's pretty level. And we're gonna run a hose. Pump house gonna pump from over there because we want to do a greenhouse over there. On the other side of the playground, on the other side of the RV. We're gonna do a hoop house / greenhouse, something like that one day. So pump house gonna be there. Put a T in. We'll have a tank over there for the greenhouse. We're gonna have a tank feeding. Gonna run a hose this way over here to this tank. And the reason being is the ground over here is higher than the ground going down that way. You can kind of see the raised beds fall. So we figured use elevation. So we put this over here, and we'll be able to put it all here. Also, we'll be able to water the sunflower and also this corn. Nice. I think that's about ready. Hallelujah. shed. I'm gonna go terminate the sub panel tonight, and we'll be able to put up this electric fence. Hallelujah. All right. Hey, Shalom Saints, Elder Mitchell back in another video. We got here Deacon Gorman. This is a continuation of the water system. Okay, so here's our pump. Well, our pump's actually over there. We built the pump house for it right there. And the line is actually over here in the creek, and we're pumping water out of the creek. All right, we're gonna walk this way. And you guys can hear it as it's going. And we're looking for a way to water this garden. It's a method we learned from Straightway, so definitely want to implement it. Got the pump going. All right. So you guys can hear me. I'll walk around back, but we put this thing together a few weeks ago, and it's been just kind of sitting until we had got all parts and components. We got the lay flat hose, as you can see in blue, going around the raised beds. You can see our corners doing very well. Deacon's walking beside them. It's really came up quite a bit. We got a lot going on. Sunflowers really coming in. I mean, the garden, it just goes without saying, man. The thing is just fruitful. Let's go back here, see what we got. So that lay flats running on the back side of the raised beds. We're gonna come down here to the tank. We got a 1,000-gallon tank. We don't have everything laid out right now. We're just seeing how long it's going to take us to fill this tank. And as you can see, our line here, we charge that up to keep critters out. But yeah, so anyway, raised beds, lay flat hose, still running along the bottom into this PVC up into the tank, this 1,000-gallon tank. It'll fill up, and we're just seeing how long it'll take to fill up. And yeah, just go from there. We probably need to see about connecting it up to the bottom here before we fill it up, don't you think?
Yeah, let's think about draining it.
I think the water's coming now. So, yep, water's coming now. All right, there it goes. You can hear it. Everything seems like it's holding. You see that lay flat hose filled up with water. You can see the conduit shaking a little bit. You can see this thing is jumping every few seconds or so. Yeah, this pump pumps about 120 gallons per minute. So, and as you can see here, we got 100 gallon. Deacon's checking for any leaks or anything of this PVC that he's just installed. So, this is kind of where we're at. So anyway, I think we've done good enough. Finally, it's installed. All we gotta do is do the lay flat. I mean, not the lay flat, but we gotta do the drip lines. Come off the bottom there, put the drip lines. We're going to all this vegetation at which we've planted. So I'll say hallelujah.